A very good morning to all my wonderful teachers and all my dear friends. A light of the world, a beacon in the dark, and a hope which gives us the strength to survive everything in our life is our teacher.
Today we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make our future bright.
On this beautiful occasion, let us take the opportunity to convey our all the wishes to all our teachers who have given the impeccable contribution in shaping us and our lives.
On 5th of September, we celebrate Teachers' Day. It is a day filled with lots of joys, happiness, as excitement, as all the students are eagerly looking forward to tell their teachers why and how are they special to them. Today, it is my pleasure to talk about our dear teachers.
We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th of September every year in India. 5th of September is marked by birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna, and the Teachers' Day is celebrated in commemoration of his birthday.
Along with being a successful leader in the form of President of the country, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was a great leader and an excellent teacher.
Students across the country celebrate this day to pay respect and thank their teachers. Teachers are the backbone of our society.
Their head change by shaping and building students' personality and make them ideal citizen of the country.
As one looks at the great impact on the growth, development, and the well being of the nation, one must agree that teaching is a noble profession.
There is a great saying that teachers are greater than parents. Parents give birth to a child, whereas teacher mold its personality and provides better future.
Apart from academics, teachers stand by us at every step to guide, motivate,
and inspire us to become better people. They are the true source of knowledge and wisdom.
From them leaves the thoughts and ideas that each one of us, will use to provide back into the society.
I would like to extend my gratitude to every teacher for their selfless service and dynamic support. We are always grateful to you.
This COVID era was not only challenging for healthcare department and government, but proved to be extremely challenging for teachers as well. The world we know has changed in a blink of an eye. The schools were shut overnight. Students were liberated from schools, but confined to their homes. Parents had to grapple with keeping children productive at home.
In the stress of lockdown, hand washing and tracking the global spread of the virus, no one has paid heed to the sudden stress on that often neglected groups, teachers. With schools remaining closed during for an extended duration came the reality of online teaching.
It was no longer a buzzword or a fancy edtech term. Now everyone had to do it.
But this wasn't easy. Adapting to online platform which was seldomly explored by our teachers and who were pro at teaching with their old and tested methods was in itself a huge challenge.
Apart from this, many schools had to cut down their salaries, and in a few cases they even worked without salaries because they didn't want to compromise with quality education.
Apart from this, some extra mature elements of the class found it hilarious and cool to disturb teachers by muting them, abusing them, entering from different names, etc.
The one thing which we should note is that they are our teachers, and consequently they became expert at teaching online. Salute to our real heroes, our teachers.
Every year, we used to celebrate Teachers' Day in the school through various activities such as special assembly, which included skits for teachers, various fun activities for teachers. Moreover, it used to be very special for class 12 students who came dressed as their favorite teacher and tries to live a day as their favorite teacher.
This year, due to very obvious reasons, unfortunately, we won't be able to celebrate Teachers' Day as it used to be, but with a twist via online platform. Hope you all will like this. Enjoy the show!
ओके, तो सेटिंग्स कैसे थी इसकी? एक मिनट ओके, यस ठीक है। स्क्रीन शेयरिंग, हाँ ओके या ठीक है। मेरी क्लास शुरू होने वाली है तो ध्यान रहे कि इस रूम में कोई ना आए। हाँ सब, हाँ ओके, तो सब आ चुके हैं। गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन।
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम। गुड मॉर्निंग। आई होप यू आर डूइंग गुड एंड स्टेइंग एट होम, क्योंकि घर पे रहना ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है। तो जैसे कि सब आ चुके हैं, तो अब हम शुरू करते हैं अपना चैप्टर। मैंने आपको कल बताया था ना अबाउट फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर एंड सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर। एक मिनट, पहले मैं अपनी स्क्रीन शेयर कर लूँ। मैंने अपनी बुक्स खोल लिए सारे। मेरी स्क्रीन दिख रही है? स्क्रीन दिख रही है मेरी? ओके, वेरी नाइस, ओके, थैंक यू। हाँ, तो मैंने आपको बताया था कि फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर कब शुरू हुआ, कब ख़त्म हुआ था, एंड उसके क्या क्या ड्रॉबैक्स थे, क्या क्या इफेक्ट्स था उसका वर्ल्ड पे। तो मैं आपको जो नोट्स दे रही हूँ साथ साथ, आप उसको साथ साथ ही पढ़िए, क्योंकि साथ साथ अगर आप पढ़ते रहेंगे तो आपको आगे प्रॉब्लम नहीं होंगी। आपके साल बोर्ड्स हैं, तो यहाँ स्टार्टिंग से पढ़ोगे तो एंड तक काफ़ी अच्छा स्कोर कर पाओगे। ओके, हाँ ओके। तो आई होप आप लोगों को चैप्टर समझ आ गया सारा। और कोई भी डाउट्स है तो आप मुझे चैट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं नीचे, और आप अपना ऑडियो भी ऑन कर सकते हैं, मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं। एंड मैं आपको कल तक इसके असाइनमेंट्स दे दूंगी, तो साथ साथ में असाइनमेंट करना। स्नेहा ने कुछ लिखा है नीचे। ओके, हाँ, तो स्नेहा, तभी तो मैंने आपको बोला कि वो यूएसए अपने आप को
LIC वाली फाइल नहीं मिल रही है, कहाँ रखी है?
एक मिनट प्लीज। अरे वो नीचे वाली अलमीरा है ना, हाँ, उसके एकदम लेफ्ट कॉर्नर पर, लेफ्ट वाली, उसके एकदम पीछे की तरफ पड़ा है। हाँ, सॉरी स्टूडेंट, सॉरी। हाँ, तो मैं, हाँ, तो वो यूएसए अपने आपको सुबह दिखाना चाहता था USSR से, तो इसकी वजह से उसने हिरोशिमा नागासाकी पे 2 बार बॉम्बिंग करी थे। ओके, कि आपके सारे डाउट्स क्लियर हो गए हैं। तो अगर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो तो आप कल भी क्लास है हमारी, तो आप मुझसे कल पूछ सकते हैं। ओके, तो हम क्लास यहीं एंड करते हैं। थैंक यू एवरीवन, बाय बाय, स्टे सेफ, स्टे एट होम, बाय बाय।
थैंक यू मैम। थैंक यू मैम।
मम्मी भूख लग रही है यार।
हाँ हाँ, बस क्लास खत्म हो गई है, आ रही हूँ। हाँ, 1 मिनट में आ जाओ बस।
के 2 बज गए हैं।
तुम सो जाओ, अभी मेरा थोड़ा काम रहता है। कल बच्चों को नोट्स एंड असाइनमेंट्स देने हैं, तो इसको पूरा करके ही सोऊंगी मैं। तुम सो जाओ। Today's class.
Hello teachers and my dear friends, happy Teachers Day to one and all present here. I was in Mira Model School from 2009 to 2016. Passed out 12th with good percentage and best sports person of the year award. Mira Model is such a great institution. Here every student is grown to its best. The most inspiring thing here is Sadhna Balla ma'am. She is always accessible to every student to discuss its heart. I love all the teachers for their great contribution to my growth. I am now pursuing masters in tabla as well as in commerce. Also doing professional shows pan India and overseas. So let's end this with a musical note. Here we go.
Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Thank you for everything. Whatever I am today, it's all because of you, my teachers. I still remember the day when I entered the Mira family, and that's the best part of my life, trust me. And I miss my school days. I miss you all. I'm glad that I'm recording this video for you. Thank you so much, teachers. Happy Teachers Day once again. Thanks for everything.
माँ बाप भाई बहन के बाद एक टीचर ही तो होती है जो हमें एक बच्चे से बदलकर एक वेल एजुकेटेड पर्सन बनाती है। हम चाहे एक ना सुने उनकी, बट स्टिल वो अपनी ड्यूटी हमेशा अच्छे से निभाती है। टीचर्स हमारे लिए असाइनमेंट और प्रोजेक्ट से लेकर हमारी कॉपीज़ और डाउट्स तक न जाने कितनी मेहनत करा करती है। पढ़ाने के लिए उन्हें शायद 3rd फ्लोर चढ़ना पड़े या दूसरे ब्लॉक में जाना पड़े, लेकिन वो कभी किसी से कोई कंप्लेंट ना करती है। सिर्फ हमारे अच्छे फ्यूचर की खातिर वो अपना हर पॉसिबल एफर्ट हमेशा डाला करती है। गुस्से में आकर चाहे हमें थोड़ा ज़्यादा क्यों ना डांट दे, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं वो हमसे प्यार भी बहुत करती है। हाँ, मानता हूँ मैं कि कई बार हमें हमारी गलती की थोड़ी ज़्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट मिलती है सज़ा, पर उनकी हर एक पनिशमेंट के पीछे कहीं ना कहीं छुपा होता है हमारा भला। कई बार हम लोग कुछ ज़्यादा ही मौज मस्ती कर अपनी टीचर्स को परेशान करा करते हैं। फीलिंग्स तो उनके भी हर्ट हो सकती है और दिल तो उनका भी टूट सकता है, लेकिन ये चीज़ हम हमेशा ही भूल जाते हैं। स्कूल फंक्शंस के वक्त तो बस हमारे टीचर्स का काम सीधा डबल ही हो जाता है। एक एक एक्टिविटी को सक्सेसफुल बनाने में और अपने हाउस को जिताने में उनका अच्छा खासा पसीना निकल जाता है। कई बार जब हम अपने यार दोस्तों से भी लड़ बैठे हो, उस वक्त एक टीचर ही हमें हिम्मत देकर मोटिवेट करा करती है, और हमारी सक्सेस के वक्त ये तो बस तुम्हारी मेहनत थी कहकर खुद को क्रेडिट ही ना लेती है। टीचर्स हमारी हमें किताबी कीड़ों की तरह सिर्फ एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए तैयार ना करती है, वो तो हमें ज़िंदगी कैसे जीनी है और सोसाइटी में रहकर कैसे खुद को बनाना है उसके भी लेसन देती है। अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ का इतना सारा काम कर भी अपनी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ के काम में कभी कोई कमी ना छोड़ती हैं टीचर्स हमारी। उनकी खुद की लाइफ में चाहे कितनी भी प्रॉब्लम्स क्यों ना आ जाए, लेकिन हर चीज़ को फेस करने की रखती हैं वो पूरी तैयारी। कोरोना वायरस पैंडेमिक के वक्त भी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस को लेकर हम सबकी पढ़ाई का नुकसान होने से वो बचा रही है। प्रॉब्लम चाहे उन्हें भी बहुत हो रही है ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में, लेकिन जैसे तैसे वो हमें पढ़ा ही रही हैं। यूँ तो टीचर्स का दर्जा भी एक माँ से कभी कम नहीं होता, और मान ले जो उनकी सारी बातें, वो इंसान कभी ज़िंदगी में फेल नहीं होता। आप सभी के पास कुछ ना कुछ बहुत ही कमाल का है जो इस दुनिया में एक बड़ा बदलाव ज़रूर ला सकता है। आप टीचर्स करोड़ों की ज़िंदगी सुधार देते हो, इसलिए आपको तो भगवान भी कहा जा सकता है। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे टू यू ऑल।
Hello everyone, this is Shubham Khurana from the batch of 2019. First of all, I'd like to wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers Day, and I hope all of you are well at home. My most cherished memory during my school time is undoubtedly the Teachers Day celebration where we had the community lunch. I still remember that we were in the school the day before it till evening preparing for the event and hoping that the teachers would love it, and fortunately they did. I remember when they came in the auditorium, they had such big smiles. They were so surprised and we were so happy because the motive of our event was accomplished. And actually that is the most mesmerizing memory that I have, because it helped us connect to our teachers on a very different level. And I actually hope that we could do that again sometime, because I really miss you all and I really miss my school and those memories. They're still a part of me. Thank you.
Good morning. I hope everyone is safe. Happy Teachers Day. It feels so good to be connected to school even when you have left, and that's the reason I love this institution and all the people here. The school introduced me to my first ever love, volleyball, and my best friend Neelam ma'am, of course, and I will forever be grateful for it. what I am today and what I will be in future. I will never forget the very foundation was laid in Mira Model. I can't thank the principal ma'am, the teachers, and especially Neelam ma'am and MP sir enough for believing in me and standing strong by my side. It never felt like I left this institution, this family, my Mira family. Thank you and a very happy Teachers' Day.
Good morning and a very happy Teachers' Day. I really hope everyone is doing good. So I'm supposed to pick one favorite teacher and speak about her, which is quite impossible to pick one favorite teacher, but there's a person I have a very special bond with, a teacher. She's Sunita Kumar ma'am. I remember back in junior school, she was the one who saw some potential in me, and she always pushed me, motivated me to do better, and it just doesn't end in junior school. I remember in senior school when I had the interview for the office bearers, she was the one I had a chat with just before the interview, and she literally filled me with motivation, pushed me to do better yet again. If I go on remembering moments with teachers, it would literally take forever, and I know that I have a time limit, so I'll stop here. And at the end, I would like to say that I am very happy to be a part of the family we have here at Mira Model. Thank you and a very happy Teachers' Day.
A self-composed poem for Miss Harveen. We can finally talk about you, ma'am. I'm very keen. You've helped us think and retrieve ideas that we can weave into stories and poems galore, like fantasy fiction and folklore. Ma'am, we love and appreciate you. You've helped us broaden our view. I hope my grammar's alright. I hope it doesn't give you a fright. Have a happy Teachers' Day. Keep leading the way. Sincerely me, Thea Girotra of class.
Hello everyone, I am Ridit Chaudhary, CR of class 5D. Today we are celebrating Teachers' Day. I would like to thank all our teachers on this special occasion. All our teachers are helping every child for being a successful human being. I love all my respected teachers, but personally, my favorite teacher is Suraj sir. Again, a very happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Thank you.
Happy Teachers' Day to all our respected teachers and Principal Ma'am. Hello everyone, I am Gunvansh Chawla, student of class 6C. Teachers help building the future by spreading knowledge. My mom says teachers are our second mothers. Although I have many favorite teachers, but today I will be talking about Mrs. Shakshi Kakkad. She is not only a great teacher but also a brilliant coach. She inspires us by her way of teaching. She is extremely approachable. She makes our time in the class most interesting and full of fun. Ma'am, I feel blessed to be your student. Thank you and again, a very happy Teachers' Day.
I am Aveen Kaur, 5D. Dear Sakshi ma'am, seed of knowledge and values. She teaches not only lessons of our books but also teaches lessons of our life, science in our day to living, how oxygen we inhale change into carbon dioxide. She is a perfect role model for us. She is kind and helpful too. Happy Teachers' Day, ma'am.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Neel Malhotra, the CR of class 8A. Today we are celebrating Teachers' Day. I love all my teachers, but Titanka ma'am is my favorite teacher. who teaches us maths. She is a strict teacher but very helpful and patient. I like her way of teaching. She explains us all the topic with real life examples so that we understood the concepts clearly. She also encourages us to ask doubts personally. Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day, Rakesh sir. Sir, we might not say this every day, but your inspirational words are like beautiful footprints that have been etched in our hearts and our brains forever. Because of you, we can be who we truly are as a person. Thank you for always supporting and believing in our students. And again, a happy Teachers Day.
A good teacher teaches from the heart, not from the book. Hello everyone, I am Vasuki Deshpande, CR of Class 7C, and I am here to wish a very happy Teachers Day to the Meera family and my favorite teacher Udita ma'am, who help us nurturing our roots and to be a successful person in the future. Again, a very happy Teachers Day, ma'am. Thank you. My name is Mariam Qureshi 5D. Dear Ishwinda ma'am, thank you for continually inspiring me to do my best. You support me and guide me, and I found friendship and discipline and helpfulness in you. You are kind, helpful and optimistic. You care about each and every one of your students. Whenever I have a doubt, you are there to clear it for me and all the other students. I hope you have a great rest of the 2020 and the coming years to come ahead. Happy Teachers Day.
Myself, Manya Arora of class 5A. Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers in the world. I like Sakshi Dhamija ma'am very much because she is very friendly and caring towards everyone. She is our class teacher and teaches us maths. I love studying maths. She is the best teacher in the school and is liked by all of my friends. She is a helpful person and always supports and encourages me to take part in all the activities. Thank you.
Good morning teachers and my dear friend. I am Mani Bakshi from class 8B, here to speak some words for MP Singh sir. He is my favorite teacher as encourages thinking, engage mind, support struggle and make us do hard work. He is a teacher who understands the power of connection and potential in every student. He cultivates dream. I am very grateful to have such teacher in my life and I feel blessed for every moment I got in his teaching. Thank you and happy Teachers Day.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Krishna and I am the CR of class 6A. Today we are celebrating the occasion of Teachers Day. I love my all the teachers but especially Manpreet Kaur ma'am. I like her way that she teaches through technology perfectly. I also like her smile on her face. Thank you. Wishing you a very happy Teachers.
Good morning teachers and my dear friends. I am Hafsa Parveena of class 7A. Today I am here to tell you about my favorite teacher, Miss Pratibha Saxena ma'am. Pratibha ma'am is very helpful, kind and motivating teacher. She teaches us like a mother, not like a teacher. I am very thankful to God that I got the teacher like you. Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers. Thank you.
The SIA board of this year has given us the opportunity to speak about our favorite teachers on the occasion of Teachers Day. I would like to talk about Mrs. Sheetal Chhabra and why is she my favorite teacher. She first taught me maths when I was in 5th grade. Since then, she has been inspiring me and all other students with her teaching, hard work and calm nature. Me and other students of class 10B are really fortunate to have her as our class teacher this year. You will always hold a special place in my heart even after school time. I wish if we could really enjoy getting taught by her in a classroom. Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
I've had many teachers in my life who gave me maybe lifelong lessons, but the one who inspired me the most was Mrs. Kriti Mahapatra ma'am. Thank you for always being there for me, ma'am, and listening to all my tantrums. We were in 4th grade when you first taught me, and till date I have never forgotten whatever you taught me, ma'am. Thank you for always telling me to do what is best for me. Thank you so much, ma'am. Happy teacher.
Happy Teachers Day to respected Principal Ma'am and all my dear teachers. I am Diksha Kakkar from Class 5D. I want to thank you all for your love and guidance. Though I like all teachers, but Dimka Ma'am is my favorite teacher. She teaches me social studies. She is
A very happy Teachers Day to all my beloved teachers and Principal Ma'am. Today, I, Anisha Nana of Class 8D, is going to speak some line on my teacher. My teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. In my school life, I have met with many teachers, and of course, I love and like them all. But the ideal teacher to me is Ritu Sharma Ma'am. Ritu Sharma Ma'am teaches us Hindi and is a source of inspiration for us. I met her in class 3rd and she is teaching us till now. She is noble and strength of good character inspires confidence in young mind, and she is a guiding light for me in my life. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Mayank and been doing great. Nina ma'am, you are my most favorite teacher of all the time, and it was really good to have you as my mentor, my house warden, my class teacher. And one of the memories that I cherish the most with you was the class 12th E thing. We guys didn't have any class to be called as the class, the 12th E section, commerce without maths. So we ultimately used to bunk the IP classes, and ultimately the IP room was our second home. So we really used to hang out over there. We really used to, be there all the time, have fun, look for the AC and the thing. And it was really good to have you as my class teacher, ma'am. And the, not to forget the Jagrati House thing, how we used to do the food fest, the annual day and everything. And ma'am, you are really such a beautiful soul inside and out, and I wish I could meet you really soon. And thank you so much, ma'am, for everything. We really love you the most, and of course I miss you. I don't know about others, but yeah, I do miss you.
Hello everyone, I am Anushka Bose of batch 2017-18. First of all, a very happy Teachers Day to the entire Meera family from my behalf. Today, on Teachers Day, I would like to tell you a little about what I feel of Meera Model School and what it is in my eyes. Here, not only your physical health is important for them, but also your emotional and mental health is given equal importance, which is very rare. The biggest pillar here, our principal, Mrs. Sadhna Bhalla. When I look at her, I'm so inspired. She is the most independent and focused person I've ever met. She inspires me to do so much more in my life. She is your best friend. She is your guide. She is your mentor. She'll talk to your parents if she feels the need to, but she'll make sure that you are completely fine. That is how far Meera Model can go for its students, and that is so rare. Compassion is like integral to the regime here. It's inseparable. Jokes apart, thank you so much, Meera Model School, for giving me so many memories, for teaching me so much, for making me so capable that I feel that I can achieve anything I want in life today. If it weren't for you, I don't even think I'd be standing here today. I'll be so confident to stand in front of a camera and talk for so long. Thank you so much for embedding that confidence in me and so many other children. I hope that my school touches every life that it has touched mine. It brings a positive change to everybody's life like it has to mine. Thank you so much.
हम तो पहले से ही शरारती थे, कभी खाली किताबें ले जाना तो कभी किसी बच्चे के बर्थडे पर हर लेक्चर में हैप्पी बर्थडे गाना। पहले भी पढ़ने तो जाते ही थे, बस इस आग से वाकिफ थे नहीं। क्या पता था उस दिन हम सबको कि इस हाउस अरेस्ट की सिचुएशन आ रही है।
ये कैसा जमाना आ गया, ये कैसा जमाना, घर से निकलना हुआ मुश्किल, घर से निकलना हुआ मुश्किल, बोल दिया गया स्टडी फ्रॉम होम, बोल दिया गया स्टडी फ्रॉम होम, रात गवाई नेटफ्लिक्स में, दिन भर डलगोना कॉफी बनाई, दिन भर डलगोना कॉफी बनाई, यही किया हम बच्चों ने, यही किया हम बच्चों ने ड्यूरिंग दिस लॉकडाउन टाइम, ड्यूरिंग दिस लॉकडाउन टाइम।
स्नैपचैट और इंस्टाग्राम पर पोस्ट किया सुबह शाम, बट रियल लाइफ की स्टोरी में फिर ना किया कोई काम। ग्राफ्स एंड डायग्राम छोड़कर हम तो मीम्स बनाने लगे, फुटबॉल क्रिकेट ना तो पबजी से ही काम चलाने लगे।
न्यू नॉर्मल ने हम सबको मास्क का इम्पोर्टेंस दिखाया और ई क्लासेस में पढ़कर टीचर ने असली लर्निंग सिखाया। हम तो ठहरे बच्चे, मस्ती ही हमको आए, क्लासेस चाहे कहीं भी हो हम सब टीचर को सताए।
कभी निकाला नेटवर्क का बहाना तो कभी चलाया जूम क्लास पर गाना। इन सब के बावजूद आपने हमें 10 बार एक ही टॉपिक समझाया, चाहे कितने भी बचे हों हर डाउट को सॉल्व करवाया। हम कहना चाहते थे वही कि आपके लव और सपोर्ट ने क्या कुछ नहीं किया। इट हेल्प्ड अस थ्राइव इवन इन दिस मेस, उसके लिए दिल से शुक्रिया, शुक्रिया।
Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers in Meera family. Thank you for being such a great mentor. I'm so blessed that I was a part of a Meera family. Thank you Sushma ma'am, Roy sir, Meeta ma'am, Sweetie ma'am, Ranjit ma'am. Thank you for always tolerating me. I was a big task, a naughty child, and thank you for always letting me know that yes Sajuni, you can do and you will do, and yes I did. Thank you so much, and special thanks to Sadna Bhala ma'am. I really love you a lot. Thank you for giving me opportunity to be a part of a Meera family. You are a great person. Love you all. Happy Teachers Day, and I really miss Meera Model. Bye.
पाँच साल का था, वेस्ट बंगाल से दिल्ली आया, हिंदी तक नहीं आती थी। आज इतना आगे बढ़ चला, बहुत कुछ सीखा, जिन्होंने सिखाया उनको शुक्रिया। आज इतना आगे बढ़ चला, रहमत उनकी जिन्होंने मुझे तो सिखाया। आज कैसे करूँ मैं शुक्रिया, कुछ लफ्ज़ लिख मैं फिर भी करूँ बयां। छोटा सा लड़का था जो रहता था ख्वाबों में, उन ख्वाबों को सच करो सिखाया टीचर्स ने। ज़िंदगी जीना कैसे सिखा गए मुझे टीचर, वो ना जो सिखाता सीख लिपटा किताबों में। अभी भी तो हासिल किया ना कुछ, अभी भी तो सीखना मैंने यहाँ बहुत कुछ। उनकी सीख से इतना आगे बढ़ चला, ना सीखता तो मैं बंदा रह जाता तुझ। ये लोग तो कुछ साल साथ रहते हैं, सिखा के हमें बड़ा कर जाते हैं। इन्होंने हमसे मांगा भी ना कुछ, देने भी लगे तो ये हाथ छोटे पड़ जाते हैं। तो खुद टीचर तुझे भूल से अपनी सीखनी है, दूसरों से सीख बनना पैर है या टहनी है। पूरी जिंदगी तुझे सीख सिखा देगी, गरीब से सीख कम में भी कैसे जीनी है। उस टीचर के रूप में माँ बाप को मेरा शुक्रिया, जिन्होंने सिखाने में सब कुछ लगा दिया। उन्होंने अपने लिए ज़्यादा ना की, वो फ़क्र से बोले कि उनकी बेटी आगे बढ़ गई। बस आगे बढ़ते हुए हमें भी सिखाना है, हमने किस काबिल सीखा ये भी दिखाना है। ज़िंदगी टीचर से जितना भी पाया उसको आगे बढ़ा कर उन्हें भी चेताना है। जिनकी वजह से यहाँ खरा शुक्रिया, जिन्होंने सिखाया उनको मेरा शुक्रिया। जिन्होंने थामा हाथ जब खुद हार चुका कि लड़का आगे बढ़ेगा, उनको मेरा शुक्रिया। अब न यहाँ कुछ बोल सकूँ और अभी तक चला लगा नहीं है अब दौर। इस दौर में साथ दे वो जरा कि मैं करूँ हासिल दुनिया के सारे छोर। आज इतना आगे बढ़ चला, रहमत उनकी जिन्होंने मुझे तो सिखाया। आज कैसे करा मैंने शुक्रिया, कुछ लफ्ज़ लिख मैंने फिर भी करे बया।
Hello everyone, my name is Tajinder Singh, batch 2016, coming at you from Canada. I just want to take this opportunity and thank all the teachers for whatever they've done for me so far in my life. And I just want to wish them a very happy Teachers Day. I mean, I was told to talk about my favorite teacher, but I mean, that's not even a valid question. I mean, you cannot choose one favorite parent, right? So I'm going to talk about one memory. And that is when I became the school captain and I was walking up the stairs of the stage, and Sadhna ma'am was there waiting for me with the badge on. I mean, I'm still fumbling when I talk about the memory because it's so precious. And she told me, looked into my eyes, and she told me, "Don't let me down." And I was like, that was a crazy burden on my shoulders, and I lived up to those values. I mean, I tried my best. I mean, I hope I didn't let her down. And I miss everyone. I miss all the walls, all the memories, everything that is there in Mira Model School campus. And I just want to wish everyone all the luck. I mean, I can see that the prefecture board is doing very well. I can't wait to be back soon. I mean, God bless. Bye bye.
Hey everyone, I'm Chania and I'm also tuning in from Vancouver, Canada to just do a little teacher appreciation video for all the teachers in Mira who've done so much for us over the years. I was asked to choose one favorite teacher, and quite frankly, that's not something I can do. Every teacher I've had at Mira has just inspired me so much and shaped me into who I am today. But I will talk about two of my favorite moments or two of my greatest learning experiences with some of the teachers there. I think one of them would be with Komal ma'am, and that was more of the idea that I've been public speaking for quite a while, but it wasn't until I met a mentor like her that I realized that all my life I spent too much time focusing on the speaking aspect and I relied too much on my delivery skills as opposed to my content. So I'm still very grateful to her because she taught me that skill, and now I'm actually able to focus more on my content, which again helps me become a better public speaker. Another experience actually goes back quite a while. I think this is from grade 6, parent teacher meet. And this was with Naveen sir. He was my class teacher at the time, and my parents come in, and he told my parents, ये बोलने से पहले भी बोलने का मौका भी नहीं देती और पहले हाथ रेस कर लेती क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए कि पहले बात तो खत्म करे फिर क्वेश्चन पूछो, right? So it's like the teacher wouldn't even have gotten to the point, like probably what he's gonna say moving forward is gonna answer my question, but because I was so anxious, I didn't wait until then, and my hand would basically be up for almost all the entire class. But yeah, that was funny, and that's also one of my another greatest learning experiences in life, because it really taught me that you have to be an active listener and you have to wait until someone's done and kind of be patient with it. So again, two little stories that have really had an impact on me. But apart from that, every single teacher at Mira, I can't pick favorites, no matter how hard I tried, has really impacted me. And I just want to say thank you so much to all, and just wishing you a very happy Teachers Day.
Hello everyone. First of all, a very happy Teachers Day to all the teachers. I really miss being in school. And this short video is for Sonali ma'am. I really miss you ma'am, and I really miss all those interesting social studies classes that we used to have. I still remember how you used to tell us that, that you were so strict and all, and that, one day in life you'll realize that these are the kind of teachers you miss and respect in your life, was strict, who teach you discipline and all these things. And I really understand this right now. And one thing that I want to tell you is that if I ever get to teach, I want to be as passionate as you are. And lots of love, ma'am. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
ख्वाबों की नगरी हकीकत बनाने जो है दिल एक दिन का ये किस्सा नहीं, खुद के होने की पहेली सुलझाने जो है दिल एक दिन का ये किस्सा नहीं। कदमों में जमा जो थका, चैन की नींद आती वहाँ, कदमों में जमा जो थका, चैन की नींद आती वहाँ, इतनी सुहानी बना जज्बातों की बातों में ना आना, जज्बाती नजरों को दिखता धुंधला, आंसू मोती खर्चो ना, खामियां खास समझो ना, इतनी सुहानी बना होना पुरानी तेरी दास्तां।
खोलो खोलो दरवाजे पर्दे करो किनारे, खूंटे से बंदी है हवा मिल के छुड़ाओ सारे। आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपने ही रंग लेके, आसमां का शाम आना आज हमें है सजाना। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू, मौसम का है मेहमान तू, ओ दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए, खुद को जरा पहचान तू। तू धूप है झंग से बिखर, तू है नदी ओ बेखबर, बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं, दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है वही। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू, मौसम का है मेहमान तू। बासी जिंदगी उदासी ताजी हंसने को राजी, गर्म गर्म सारी अभी अभी है उतारी। जिंदगी तो है बताशा मीठी मीठी सी है आशा, चक ले रख ले हथेली से ढक ले इसे। तुझ में अगर प्यास है, बारिश का घर भी पास है, रोके तुझे कोई क्यों भला, संग संग तेरे आकाश है। तू धूप है झंग से बिखर, तू है नदी ओ बेखबर, बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं, दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है वही।
Hello everyone, I wish you all happy Teachers Day. My journey in Mira Model School since 1985 as a student, later as a teacher and a parent is full of sweet memories. I respectfully acknowledge our founder principal Mrs. Moini Oberoi ma'am. She's a unique soul, incredible personality full of positive energy. I still remember her words when she told to my mom when I was in grade 7, Balwinder is my responsibility. And this really means a lot to me. She is my motivation. Ma'am, wherever you are, wherever you go, you will always bring your own sunshine to this institution. I have no words for Sadhna ma'am. I know her as a great basketball player and a wonderful geography teacher. You are a high achiever woman who has carried forward this institution to such a great heights. Ma'am, you and Meenakshi ma'am inspired me to become a teacher. You are my guide, my mentor. I pay my regards to all my colleagues and teachers with whom I shared staff room, and I know how much hard work you people do to bring each lessons to your class. Thank you, Yuvraj, for giving this opportunity and making me a part of this special day. I'm proud to be Mirite, and I have a feeling that I can never be detached from my school. Stay healthy and safe. Take care. Bye, all of you.
याद किया दिल ने कहाँ हो तुम, झूमती बाहर है कहाँ हो तुम।
प्यार से पुकार लो जहाँ हो तुम, प्यार से पुकार लो जहाँ हो तुम।
याद किया दिल ने कहाँ हो तुम, झूमती बहार है कहाँ हो तुम।
प्यार से पुकार लो जहाँ हो तुम, प्यार से पुकार लो जहाँ हो तुम।
खो रही हो आज किस ख्याल में, हो दिल फंसा है बेकसी के जाल में।
खो रहे हो आज किस ख्याल में, हो दिल फंसा है बेकसी के जाल में। मतलबी जहाँ मेहरबान हो तुम।
याद किया